Exceptional products require exceptional methods of production. The Jivr workshop is where design and practicality are forged into a single process. It starts with a precise laser-cut design from a single sheet of light aerospace-grade aluminium, just 2 millimeters thin. It is then press-molded with 200 tons of weight before the surface oxygenates to ensure maximum strength. A specially developed uniform welding technique is used to take advantage of the metal's natural properties and results in a lightweight yet completely rigid material. The surface is then ground and polished into one seamless form, the embodiment of practical, ergonomic design. Our custom-designed crankshaft is sculpted from a single block of hardened aluminium, forming the weight-bearing core of the bike. A coloured finish is applied through a touchless process based on electrostatic bonding that is then heat-treated to produce a surface as smooth as the metal itself. With the frame ready, the rest of the Jivr is assembled by hand with specially made tools designed to bring all the precision-crafted elements together. Every design element adds to its ease of use. Every line adds to its stunning profile. Every connection is precisely calibrated to last. Every curve contributes to its unique character. Jivr. Engineered beautiful.